Hey guys, so for today's video, let's talk about the FASTA format and how to create FASTA file. So what is a FASTA format? It actually is pronounced as FASTA because it stands for fast all, which refers to the FAST-P, which is for protein, and the FAST-N, which is for nucleotide. So this is a text-based format that represents either your nucleotide sequences, your DNA, your RNA sequences, or your protein sequence, such as it includes the amino acid. This is very useful in the field of biochemistry or bioinformatics because most of the softwares recognize the FASTA file format. And an example of the FASTA format is this one. The first part is the short description, and the second part is the nucleotide or your protein sequence. So in the first line here, this is your description, and it usually starts with a greater than symbol. In the past, the semicolon was also used, but recently most softwares recognized only the greater than symbol, so it's better to use this symbol. And after this greater than symbol, it's followed by a short description of your nucleotide sequence. So in my case, my sequence is the ampicillin resistant gene. So I just wrote down the AMPR, or I also wrote down the ampicillin resistant gene sequence to be precise. You can write whatever file name that you want to name your, or whatever description you want to write down on your nucleotide or your protein sequence. Next, it's followed by my nucleotide sequence or my DNA sequence. And I actually wrote down in small letters, but the capital letters are also recognized, so that is also fine. And also take note that there should be no special characters in your nucleotide or protein sequence. So you may remove the numbers, the special characters, the symbols. And why is this FASTA file format important? This is actually very useful because this format is used as an input for the FASTA software, and it's now used by the other sequence database search tools such as BLAST and the alignment sequence programs such as Clustal. So how do we create a FASTA file? You can actually, one of the easiest ways is actually to download the Sublime Text software. It's free and you can download it from their website. So just open the website and just type the Sublime Text, and then you can find this one. You can find their website and you can just download it easily. Well, for me, I already downloaded this software, and add I can just give you an example of how to create a FASTA file. So first, in the first line, we're gonna start with a greater than symbol and then a short description of the nucleotide sequence. So for example, I want to use the ampicillin resistant gene. So I will just write down AMPR, or I can also write down the ampicillin resistant gene. Then I will just copy the sequence of the ampicillin resistant gene. I can get a sequence from the add gene, or if you have already your sequence, you can just copy it and paste it there, or you can also write down your sequences and paste it in the Sublime Text software. So I copied it, and you start from the second line and just paste your sequence. So here is the sequence and the first line, which is the description. And then I would like to save it, so just save as, and you can write down the file name of your file, and don't forget to write .fasta at the end of your file name and save it. Here we go. So this is already a FASTA file. And if you want to do the protein part, you can just do the same way. So just write down your description and then followed by your protein sequence. So yeah, it's really very easy to do. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye.